Hey guys, what's up? It's G from PrintZebra, and today is a video about the EPSON F570. Now, if you have one of these printers, one day you're going to come to your printer, you're going to cut it on, and you're going to see this. Maintenance error. That's what today's video is about. It's about how to change the maintenance box on your EPSON F570. So if that's something that you want to see, let's get into it. First of all, I cut on my printer and it tells me this. The maintenance error. Maintenance box is at the end of its service life. You need to replace it. This is not my first time doing this. I had this printer now for a year. So it's a quick update on the printer too, because you basically cannot use this afterward. Now, if you hit here on the maintenance box thing, it tells you how to do it step by step. If you push OK, it's telling you what to do, because that is the only step that you can do. First thing you want to do is turn the power off. Once you get your maintenance box ordered, open it up. Right inside, you got a plastic bag right here. Looks like this, little Ziploc. And you got your maintenance box. Now you can't put this in wrong. The plastic aligns with the rails. This chip right here is how your printer knows when it's full or when it needs to be changed. Now we need to go around to the back of the printer. So if you're standing in front of your printer, it's on the back right hand side over there. Turn around your printer to the back. Lucky thing I didn't have to pick this thing up and move it. This stand is on wheels. One of the stands that we have is not on wheels because the heat press is too heavy. But this stand is on wheels. This is one of the reasons why I went with these type of stands, but to each his own. Like I said, it's on the back right side of the printer if you standing from the front. But now if you're in the back of it, it's on the back left side. Right here is the door. And you just open it up like this. You could do this, I believe, with the printer on or off. I always do it with the printer off. All you need to do is get this bag, open it up, you can take it out. Now, for me, what I did at first was I started looking to see how this was placed in here. I also checked to see if there was anything extra on it that looked like it needed to be removed before I placed it inside of the printer. We're gonna just take that one out. Now you can use gloves if you want to, but it's not necessary. Now do not tip this over. Make sure you stay level with it. Safely place it in the bag, because this has wasted ink in there. Just close it up. Then you can place it here, because now you got it secured. The Ziploc is locked. And now remember how we had it. It came out just like this. There are plastic rails inside here in the printer to make sure that it doesn't go in incorrectly. We're just gonna slide it in. Just like that, see? Push it in, close it. Now, we're gonna turn the printer around and cut it back on. Well, the first thing you wanna do is get ready to discard this. So, I'm gonna place this here in this box and get ready to take it out to the trash. Cut the power on. sure everything is good. Okay, it says cleaning, running print head cleaning. Please wait, do not open any covers or turn the power off until the cleaning is complete. This takes about 16 minutes, so we ain't gonna make y'all wait all that time. We'll be back when it's done. I'm gonna order some extra maintenance boxes just to make sure, because this put me on hold for like a day or two while it came, and it was on back order. So make sure you guys have these things in stock. If you're doing business and you get orders, last thing you want to do is not be able to do your order because you don't have all your supplies. Okay, so after you do that, you're done. The cycle is complete and you're ready to print. Okay guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If this video helped you anyway, ding the bell for notifications and get subbed up. Thanks for watching. Peace.